Hello, today I'm going to be reviewing the Cat 6 gigabyte high-speed Ethernet cable with snagless RJ45 connector, reliable 1 Gbps internet cord slash patch cable with F/UTP foil shielding and twisted copper wires. The seller I bought it from is KabelDirekt Products, and yeah, this is the cord right here. I'm very happy with this purchase. First thing I noticed was the material. Material's nice and thick and strong. It's not flimsy. There's the signature blue clip, as you can see. This one is definitely noticeably faster than my older one. I have it here. Here's my older Ethernet cable, and here's the new one. I'm very happy with this purchase. I highly recommend you guys checking it out and trying it, as well as being happy with the seller. He was very quick and very professional. Good product. Let's see. I paid $7.89 for the 25 footer. This goes to my Wi-Fi wireless router, and it's all the way connected all the way to my room in my garage, and it works fine. Works great. Material is definitely stronger than the older one. The speed is, like I said, noticeably different. Very fast, very strong. I'm very happy with this product. Yep, that is my review for the 25-foot Cat 6 Ethernet cable from KabelDirekt Products. Thank you guys.